Good evening and welcome to Justin's World. Let's get this! Midnight scrapping! So tonight, it's about midnight or so. I was driving a little while ago and noticed a couple things, so I had to go get the truck. I noticed a couple of different washing machines, or one's a washing machine and one's a dryer. But yeah, I wanted to pick that up. It does say no parking, but we're going to just park here for 2 seconds. Alright. We're gonna get this washing machine. We're gonna try and be as quiet as we can. Okay. Yeah, there's still water in that baby. That was nice and cold. Well, welcome to Justin's World. And this is midnight scrapping. On to our next find. We're gonna head out back to that mobile home park where we picked up all of those gutters. I was just out there to go pick up a toolbox for my truck that the guy that had those gutters was giving me. And as I was strolling through the mobile home park, came upon another, I want to say it's a dryer just down the street from where he was. So that's where I was like, I need my truck, I need to go get my truck and go load it up with some of this scrap that I've found. I'm here for some scrap, not some furniture right now. Any day now. Let's get this! Midnight scrapping! This one here to the washing machine. Oh, it's a dryer. Okay, so it looks like we have a dryer. So we're gonna get this loaded up and put it into the truck. But first, we need to stand this one up. Truck. There. Got that one on as well. All right. So we got a curtain rod, just some helium steel, but it's something. A little bit more besides this washer and dryer. I'm gonna continue on driving through this mobile home park and see if I see anything else. If not, I will see you guys at the scrapyard in the morning. Just coming along and I find some scrap here. guess we can pick up a couple more poles here. Big kind of fence here. I don't know if I can grab all of it or not. Let's grab a strap and put a strap around all of this. Check this really quick just to make sure that it's holding everything in. That bar is kind of hanging out long, but we'll have to figure out something for that. Alright, I did see some more scrap, but I'm gonna have to maybe kind of park on this other road and see if I can run back and forth with it, or kind of what's going on. That was kind of exciting. Just kind of made a turn just to turn and look, and there was a good amount of scrap. Decent scrap things besides maybe one or two things. I knew I seen that. Why? Let's just kind of see what we can pile on here. What I should do is take this one off. Guys, so we gotta kind of somehow stack some of this. Like, I know for sure I'm gonna take the sink. I don't know. They're just so, the rest of it's just so big and bulky. I don't think. The door. let's put this back on top of that. So we're gonna try and come on and just flip and stay where I need to. Okay. Alright. Got a silverware drawer in here. There is one other spot I wanted to stop. And then I'll probably end up seeing y'all at the scrapyard. Let's head over that way and see what we can pick up, if it's still there or not. Should have picked it up a few days ago. So, we'll have to see. There is. Sweet. Okay, so we're gonna pick up this scrap. A couple videos ago, there was one, my first one of the night ones, when the person had called or found them on Facebook, and I came over and picked up. This would have been the first stop when I picked up that broken fan and some gutters. She messaged me again 3-4 days ago to come and pick up some more scrap. So here we are to pick up that more scrap. So out, I think, before I go to the scrapyard, or I might go and I'll just hand unload it. Thanks guys, got everything kind of in here. This should stay up pretty well. We're not going to be going too darn fast, but that's our load tonight guys. The only thing I'll be keeping is this, otherwise the rest gonna end up over at the scrapyard. See you guys there in the morning. Alright, so on my way over here to pick up this last load of scrap that we just threw on, I thought I'd seen something out by somebody's garbage can up here. So once we get up here, I want to get out and see if I think I seen what I seen by their garbage can. And if so, we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna stop right here. We're gonna go get this chainsaw. After this person goes. Okay. So broken chainsaw out here. See if we can pick up anything else on our way. Otherwise, we'll head off to the scrapyard in the morning. Well, it's a fantastic morning here in Justin's world. Pretty accomplished of what we picked up last night. Let's go to the scrapyard and see what we'll get for it. Let's go! Go weigh out, or I should say, let's weigh in and see how much we've got on today. Alright, stop here. We weigh out at 3,800 pounds. We're going to unstrap this first. Watch him pick up some of this. There goes that sink. Out of the scrap pile. There he goes, picking up that dryer. The long dryer. Still got a little left in there. Okay, we're gonna just grab the rest of some of this. I know that there's brass in here, but I don't have any way of storing it. So right. Whoa, we got it done. Let's go see how much we weigh out as. Alright, so we return at 3280. What? Not too bad then if we weighed about 600 pounds. Because if we did, that's, you know, $30 or $40 at least. So let's go and see how much we made today in this scrap load. There's a washer and a dryer. Kind of what got me to try and pick all of that up. Hello.
Right here.
Yep. Couldn't resist last night when I was driving. I seen the one washing machine and I'm like, okay, well, I gotta go empty out my truck. And then I seen a second one and I was like, okay, well, we're doing it. You know, there's days I just drive by people's garbage now and I see scrap and I'm like, oh, I gotta resist not to grab it right now, you know. I finally got a truck and I'm like, okay, we're gonna go try this, and now it's been very addictive, so. Thank you. Right. So, we weighed 500 pounds altogether. And at $90 a net ton, we made $22.50. Not too bad for a night of scrapping. If you guys have enjoyed this video, click that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that as well. If you want to be notified when I upload, click that bell icon. And I'll catch you guys next time on another Scrapping Adventures of Justin's World. Peace.
Hey guys, by the way, like and subscribe and hit that bell for Justin.
If you guys have been like, ugh. Let's get this! Midnight scrapping!